Welcome to another edition of Big Guy Rides. The next park that we were fortunate enough to visit is called Castles and Coasters. Located in Phoenix, Arizona, it's a small family fun park. And upon entry, you're gonna find this very nice arcade. It's one of the better ones at a smaller park that I've found. A lot of fun games, a lot of fun prizes. You could spend a couple hours in here if you really wanted to. They also do have an XD dark ride, theater ride in here. And they have go-karts included free with admission. I just did not ride them on this visit. The first ride is Desert Storm, which we gave a ride rating of 7 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. This is a Hopkins coaster, the only inverting coaster in Arizona until Mattel Adventure Park opens. And this is probably the best ride in the park. With that said, let's sit back and enjoy the ride. What a fun ride that was. This park has a really nice atmosphere. When you walk around, it's got a lot of family-friendly environment aspects to it. It's very clean. And the next ride that we got to check out was Sea Dragon. Sea Dragon is actually one of the best pirate ships that I've been on here. We gave this a ride rating of 4 out of 10 and a size rating of an S-XXL. This one has fairly accommodating lap bars. They're single position, so it'll go over everybody in the whole row. Most adults should fit on this. Now let's enjoy the ride. Up next is Skydiver. This is one of the more forceful rides in the park, and the drop is fantastic. It also has very large over-the-shoulder restraints. We gave it a size rating of an XXL and a ride rating of an 8 out of 10. If you like thrills, this is probably the most thrilling ride in the park in my opinion. Let's sit back and enjoy this drop. Following Skydiver, we got on Patriot. This is another Hopkins coaster, in between a kiddie coaster and a family coaster. We gave it a ride rating of 5 out of 10 and a size rating of a large. Really tall riders might have an issue getting on this ride. Likewise, if you had a few too many sandwiches that day. As a reminder, I'm about 6'4" and 295 pounds. With that said, let's enjoy the ride. After Patriot, we cooled off with Splashdown. Unfortunately, we don't have a POV, but this ride is a 6 out of 10, and we gave it an XXL size rating. There actually is no seat belts on that one. Magic Carpet, again, a 6 out of 10, with a size rating of an XL. No POV on that one either, unfortunately. We did get on the Carousel, which was a really fun ride. Standard Carousel, we gave it a size rating of an XXL and a ride rating of a 3 out of 10. The bumper boats over in Monsoon Cave were closed, and with that concludes our visit to Castles and Coasters. I would highly recommend this park for anybody visiting. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as that greatly helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you again. Big Guy Rides.